Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're looking at something that's pretty important to all of us,
Yeah,
electrical safety.
definitely.
And then we're also going to touch on this idea of side hustles for electricians,
Interesting.
specifically digital marketing.
Okay.
So we've got some cool sources lined up for today.
All right.
And to kind of set the scene for everyone, we've got a picture here of an electrical panel,
Okay.
and it is just completely charred.
Oh, wow.
Like yeah, it's not good.
That's a powerful image.
Yeah. And it's a reminder of what can happen when electrical work goes wrong.
It definitely is, we talk a lot about the importance of electrical safety, but I think when you see the aftermath of a mistake like that, it really drives it home.
It does. It makes you pause. So let's talk about that. Why is it so crucial to have a professional handle electrical work? I know it can be tempting to do some DIY stuff around the house, but where do you draw the line?
Well, I think when it comes to electricity, the line is pretty clear.
All right.
It's not just about fixing a loose switch. It's about understanding the complexities of the entire electrical system.
Right.
You need to know things like load calculations, grounding, proper wiring techniques,
Mm-hmm.
not to mention the NEC, which sets the safety standards for all installations.
Yeah,
Cutting corners can lead to some serious hazards, and the consequences can be devastating.
absolutely. And speaking of consequences, let's go back to that burnt panel for a second.
Okay.
What are some of the common mistakes that lead to that kind of damage?
Well, I think one of the biggest culprits is overloaded circuits.
Okay.
People often add more appliances and devices without considering the capacity of the wiring.
Right.
Another common issue is using the wrong type of wire or connectors.
Makes sense.
And then there's the issue of DIY work that just isn't done properly.
Sure.
Maybe connections aren't secure or wires aren't properly insulated. All of these can create heat sparks and ultimately fire.
Yeah. That's scary stuff. So let's kind of shift gears a little bit.
Okay.
One of our sources talks about digital marketing as a potential side hustle for electricians.
Interesting.
What are your thoughts on that? I have to admit, it seems a little bit unexpected at first glance.
It might seem unexpected, but it actually makes a lot of sense.
Okay,
Think about it. You already have a valuable skill set that's in high demand.
that's true.
Digital marketing can help you leverage that expertise to reach a wider audience and potentially build a whole new income stream.
Okay, but how does an electrician even begin to navigate the world of digital marketing? It seems like a totally different field.
Well, it can seem daunting, but there are so many resources available these days. Platforms like DBA offer training specifically for tradespeople who want to learn about online marketing.
Well, cool.
They teach you about things like building a website, using social media effectively, and even local SEO, so you can show up in search results when people in your area are looking for an electrician.
So instead of just relying on word of mouth or flyers,
Mm-hmm.
you could be reaching potential customers through targeted ads,
Exactly.
showcasing your work on Instagram, or even creating helpful videos about electrical safety tips. It seems like there are endless possibilities.
Exactly. You could even use digital marketing to establish yourself as a thought leader in the field.
Wow.
Imagine creating a series of YouTube videos demonstrating different electrical projects or writing blog posts about common electrical issues and how to solve them.
That's a really good idea.
You'd be building trust, showcasing your expertise and attracting clients all at the same time.
It's really interesting to think about all the ways that you could combine electrical expertise
Yeah.
with digital marketing savvy. So to kind of wrap things up today, we talked about the critical importance of electrical safety and the expertise that you as electricians bring to the table.
Right?
But we've also explored these exciting possibilities of digital marketing
Yeah.
as a way to expand your reach and build a side hustle that leverages your skills in a whole new way.
It's all about finding ways to grow and adapt in a constantly evolving world.
Absolutely. And here's a question for you to ponder as we finish up here today. If you were to design the perfect side hustle that combined your electrical knowledge with digital marketing, what would it look like? What kind of online presence would you create, and how would you reach your ideal customers?
It's definitely something to consider. The possibilities are truly endless.
They are indeed. And as always, be sure to check out the show notes for links and resources related to everything we've discussed today. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. We'll see you next time.